try to get me look pretty savage. They got her own bag, got goody and she bad. There ain't too many who had it. Got a man, but she managed. They like to toast her till she dizzy.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna get right to it. But first of all, don't be coming for my messy ass hair. You can see I just took it out of this raggedy bun. In fact, I had it up in a bun for a few days right after I washed it. So there's still a lot of shrinkage too, but y'all be alright. So it's best to use a whole lot of gel so your hair is as sleek as possible, and then leave it sitting under a scarf for a few minutes afterwards. But I don't like using a lot of gel though, so my hair won't be that sleek, just so you know. For some reason it's easier for me to put the ponytail on the opposite way and then just flip it over like that with my head, so.
Don't tell nobody. This how I do it.
Now here's the major key. When the ponytail is on, you want to make sure you fluff it as much as you can. Not only is it going to hide your hair underneath, but it makes it easier to form the bubbles in the ponytail. Now all that's left is to put the hair ties on after you size the bubbles however you want them. So I actually changed the first ponytail, and I'm gonna show you what I did from start to finish on the second one. So after you tie your hair up, you just want to take what's out and put it in a braid. Then you're going to take that braid and wrap it around and tuck it into the ponytail. You can also just bobby pin it in there.
Train line. Ayo live. Is that you?
And it's easier if you just put the hair straight through the ring and then double it before you put it on your hair, rather than you wrapping a hair tie around the hair like you normally would do it.